Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix AliExpress locked account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that could be many reasons why your account might be locked or you might be getting those kind of notifications. So for that, it cannot be solved from your own app. You have to go through the AliExpress official website. Now once you have landed over here, you simply gotta go to this profile section or this 3 line and go to the sign in section. You simply gotta go ahead sign in for that matter. And once you're done to sign in, and if it's showing that reoccurring problem, that could be because you must be trying to log in again and again, but you might have forgotten your information. Could be a user ID and could be a password, and that might be the reason for the AliExpress to lock your account for the security purposes. Or you might have violated some of the user guidelines of AliExpress, and that could cause the problem. Now, so none of the problems is that once you go to this website and try to log in, then you should be able to easily get logged in once or twice try. And if that's also not helping you, it will be better for you to create a new account or to go through the AliExpress support center to ask them and let them know that you haven't violated any of the guidelines and you do remember your credentials as well. You can simply provide them your user ID and can let them know that you would like to get your account back. What's the reason? How can it be solved? And your problem should be solved easily. So that is the only available option for you right now. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.